student, we completed the theory of chapter number 12 electricity, and we will see some exercise question from this chapter. Now question number 10, read it properly. Question number 10. How many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere current? Current is given 5 ampere and voltage is given 220 volt. Then using Ohm's law, find the value of R. These are given in parallel, so we write here Rp. V is equal to 220, I is equal to 5, Rp. Then 220 upon 5 is equal to Rp. Rp is equal to 5 4s. Rp is equal to 44 ohm. Rp is equal to 44 ohm. Now consider n number of resistors connected in parallel. Therefore n multiply by parallel means what is the resistance? That is the 1 upon 176. 176. Total resistance of the circuit is 44 ohm. Therefore we write here 1 upon 44. Why we write here 1 upon 44? Because here parallel connection is there. So write here 1 upon 44. Correct? Now n upon 176 is equal to 1 upon 44. N is equal to 176 upon 44. Do this calculation, you get n is equal to 4. Then total number of resistors are 4, which having 176 ohm resistance and connected in parallel, then we get the total resistance of the circuit is 44 ohm. Note down this one. We will solve next question. Question number 11. Show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm. Question number 11. R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to 6 ohm. This is the given value. So that the combinations of these resistances of 9 ohm and 4 ohm, then we have to do such type of combinations, parallel and series, then you will get 9 ohm and 4 ohm resistances. Now first one, connect R1 and R2 in parallel, and third one in series. Then we will find the equivalent resistance. Then for this one, 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 1 by 3. Therefore Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Means if we have to reduce the circuit, then the parallel combination of these two resistors is, we find it 3 ohm, and this this resistor having the resistance 6 ohm. Now these two are in parallel, so simply add these two, we get the 9 ohm. Understood? Means first two are in parallel, and after the equivalent resistance the third ohm in series, so you get the answer 9 ohm. Now for the 4 ohm, how we have to connect the resistances? See, second condition, first two connected in series, then what is the equivalent circuit? These are the in series, so 6 ohm plus 6 ohm, you get the 12 ohm. Six plus 6, you get the 12 ohm, because these are in the series connection, and now these two are in the parallel connection. So we find equivalent resistance 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 6. What is the LCM? Yes, 12 is the LCM. Then 1 plus 2, 3 by 12, 1 upon RP. Taking the reciprocal of both, you get RP is equal to 4 ohm. Understood? Here we get 9 ohm and here we get the 4 ohm resistance. Note down, we will see the next question. Question number 12. Which are the given things in question number 12? Several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt, V is equal to 220 volt electric supply line are rated 10 watt. Power is given 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel? Lamps, we have to connect the lamp in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. Now from these two we calculate current. First, P is equal to V into I. 10 is equal to 220, then 10 divided by 220, 0 0 cut I. Then current flowing through each bulb is 1 upon 22 ampere. For one bulb, current is 1 upon 22 ampere. Now there are many bulbs. Consider the n number of bulbs we have to connected in parallel. So if we connect n number of bulb in parallel, so n multiply by 1 upon 22, and what is the total current of this all the bulb? We know that 5 ampere, both are the current. This is the current flowing through one bulb, and we have to find the number of bulb. Total current of the circuit is 5. Solve. N is equal to 5 multiply by 22. N is equal to 110 bulb. How many bulbs are required? 110 bulbs are required. Note down fast. We will solve the next question. Question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to 220 volt line has two resistance coil A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance. First we write the given things. For question number 13, V is equal to 220 volt. Two coils are there. A coil and B coil has same resistance, that is the 24 ohm, which may be used separately. Sometimes these use separately, after that they use in series RA plus RB, or in parallel 1 upon RA plus 1 upon RB. What are the currents in 3 cases? And we have to find the value of current in all the 3 cases. Case 1, when they are used separately, V is equal to I R. You may write here RA or RB, both having the same value, so no problem. V is equal to 220. I we have to calculate here, and R is equal to 24. 24 will be divided here, and this is homework for you. Calculate 220 upon 24. Answer will be in ampere. Write answer in comment section. Now you are in 10th standard, so do that calculation by manual method. Don't use calculator for this calculation when they are connected in series. Then RS is equal to RA plus RB. RA is equal to 24 plus 24, 48 ohm, and we have to calculate the value of I. Again we write V is equal to IR. In place of R we write here RS. V 220, RS is equal to 48. Therefore 220 upon 48 is equal to I. Again you have to find this value. I is equal to ampere. And now case 3, when they are connected in parallel. Case 3 for parallel. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon Ra plus 1 upon Rb. Put values. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon 24. 2 by 24, 1 by 12. Therefore Rp is equal to 12 ohm. When they are connected in parallel, what is the value of Rp? 12 ohm. Again we write V is equal to IR. In place of R we write Rp here, P for the parallel connection. V 220, I we have to find it. Rp is equal to 12. 12 will be divided here, 220 upon 12, that is the value of I. Calculate the value of I, that will be in ampere. Correct? Here we completed the question number 13 for separately. For series you have to find the value of I, and for the parallel connection find the value of I. Now next question. 14th one. Note down fast. Question number 14. Read question first. Compare the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuit. What is the case 1? For 14th one, case 1, V is equal to 6 volt given and series connection. So RS is equal to 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, you get the 3 ohm. Here for the series connection, I same, current will be the same. Current same. So we have to use the formula of power in terms of current. So find current. V is equal to IR. Yes, I is equal to 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. Now we have to find power. What is the value of I? 2 into 2, I square 2 into 2 into R, which here two resistances are there, but we have to calculate power only for 2 ohm resistor. So we have to consider here 2. Then power is equal to 8 watt. Here case 1 completed. For second one, V is equal to 4 watt, parallel with the 12 ohm and 2 ohm resistors. Now V is equal to 4 ohm, voltage same, so we have to use the formula of power in terms of V. P is equal to V square upon R. P is equal to V square, 4 into 4, and R is equal to, take 2 ohm. In both cases power is same, that is the 8 watt. Here we completed question number 14. Now next question, question number 15. Two lamps, one has rated 100 watt. Question number 15. P1 is equal to 100 watt and V is equal to 220 volt. Another condition is there, P2 is equal to 60 watt. Again voltage same, 220 volt. What current is drawn from the line, and we have to find the current. What is the formula of power? V1 I1 and here P2 is equal to V2 I2. Now do this at home. Put all the values, P1, V1. Here you get the value of I1. Put the value of P2 and V2, you get the value of I2. Now these are in the parallel connection. So total current is equal to I1 plus I2. Put all the values of I1 and I2, you get the final answer. Understood this one? Simple. Put all the values, P2, V2, find I2, put value of P1, V1, find I1. After that you have to add this both the current, you get the final answer. Now we will see next question, question number 16. Only now two questions are remaining, question number 16 and 17. Question number 16. Which uses more energy? TV is given for TV and for toaster. Two things are given, TV and toaster. For TV, power is equal to 250 watt for 1 hour. 60 into 60 second. 1 hour means 60 into 60 second. Find energy, P into T. Simply multiply this two term, you get the energy in terms of joule. For toaster, power is given. What is the power? 1200 watt. And time is given 10 minutes. 10 into 60 converted into Second, again calculate energy. P into T. Simply multiply these two terms. You get energy in joule. After calculating these two values, you will find which one get the more energy, TV or toaster. And last question of this chapter, question number 17. An electric heater of resistance 8 ohm, R is equal to, this is question number 17, R is equal to 8 ohm, current I is equal to 15 ampere. Calculate heat. So H is equal to I square RT, rate of means divided by time, I square RT upon T, here TT get cancel, power is equal to I square R. Put the value of I, 15 into 15 into the value of R is 8. Calculate P is equal to 15 into 15 into 8. You will get the answer in watt. Now, dear student, we completed the exercise of chapter number 12. Now in next video we will start chapter number 13, magnetic effect of electric current. Thank you.